Today, as soon as I got on the charts, I knew today was going to be annoying and probably a shit day to trade. But, it is what it is. It's part of the game. It's either you take your L or W and fuck off. So, anyways, first time we end up hitting 50% level on NQ. I did see a 30-second long. I did take it and did take profits and went break even. Then got stopped out at break even. I was like, okay, well, maybe we'll wait for a price to come down and dip into the 1 hour fair value gap below in the gray box, and also hitting the 50% level again. And hopefully, with the right reaction above, then we'll get, we might get into another long if there's a proper gap and whatnot. So there was another 1 minute fair value gap, actually combined technically. I took it. I did get stopped out, and then I seen we were rejecting the lower gap. I don't know. It basically created another gap after the inverse, and we're rejecting out of that. And I was like, okay, well, fuck. I was like, maybe I might get in one more time. And then as soon as we started pumping up near the other candles that are higher, the candle that closed the 1 minute fair value gap, I was like, all right, let's try this one more time because we also did have equal highs above up there. And so yeah, got in, and I made my stop loss a little bit bigger, and I was like, okay, well, this is gonna be make or break it. If I lose, I'm done for the day. If I win, I'm done. And sure enough, we did end up hitting TP. So I am up a little bit on the day, but it was a little risky, and I almost felt myself tilting just slightly, even though I was aware of it. So that's a huge thing. But anyways, I'm done for the week. We are green for the week, and coming back next week. And yeah, let's do this again. All right, peace. One more thing I wanted to say. All right, so the gray box right there is the 1 hour fair value gap that price dipped into just after hitting the 50% level on the daily range while we're, respecting it or rejecting it. This is the 15-minute time frame. Do you not see that this is super bad? This is not. This isn't trading conditions. Like, this is garbage. And obviously it's the end of the week, and with all the war stuff, this is just, it is what it is. But you gotta recognize that as soon as you see this type of stuff, it's super risky, and you're most likely better to either wait till PM or just not trade at all, and come back fresh next week and able to survive to trade another day. Anyways, that is it. Peace.